It's a great initiative, and I suppose this is one of the things that should be really pressed upon very hard, because it's going to help a great deal in overall well-being of everything. Well, we don't really feel ourselves like hero. We rather consider ourselves as privileged, under inverted comma, to be able to heal people, to be able to give people what if they have some kind of problem, and so I actually don't consider myself a hero as a doctor, because as a doctor you are more of a healer and a privileged person to be able to do so. Those are not only saving the life. Of course, when you save your life, you really feel like you have been lucky that God has chosen you to do so. But in my field, particularly in plastic surgery, even sometimes we change life of the people who are badly traumatized, and often they are no, completely bedridden, completely disabilitated, and we put our efforts, put some procedures, and make them stand up again and be able to face their life again, which is a great feeling. I will advise them one thing very surely. That is, this is a profession where money is not a criteria. Your sense of achievement is not because of minting money and anything like that, but the pleasure, the satisfaction that you get when you heal people, when you treat people and they get better and come back to you and say thank you to you. That is something that that is what we should look for. And also, I'll suggest that somebody who is aspiring to become a medical professional, he should not do so just to considering it as a good profession where you have got a good career, but she or she should have what is called, I will say, aptitude to do to serve people, aptitude to desire to help treat the people, because and also the person should be motivated enough to undergo this course, because this medical course is such that it requires a lot of efforts, and often it takes a long time before you can get even the minimal returns. It reminds me of a girl 20 years old. She had an accident about 3 years from now, and when she was brought to the hospital, she was nobody gave her a chance even to survive, and even if she had to survive, she would have remained crippled on a wheelchair for the rest of her life. Of course, we did multiple surgery on her, but more than anything else, it was her motivation, her will, her desire to get back to normal activity or normalcy, which actually proved our medical expectations completely wrong. And in 3 years' time, after multiple surgeries, she's today she has come to a stage where she is leading absolutely normal life with everything, as normal as anybody else would have. And that too, for a person who 3 years ago we wouldn't give her a chance medically even to survive. So that really gives me a great memory, and this is a girl which I will never forget.